Hi there, magandang araw po sa inyo and ako po si Kiko Javier, aka Coach Kiko. Isa po akong online affiliate marketer at isa rin pong practicing life coach specializing on marriage and relationships. So why am I here today? Meron po akong gustong sabihin sa inyo and diretsuhin na po natin ngayon. I'll be sharing my screen. Okay, yan. So may tanong ako sa iyo, kaibigan. Are you somebody na mahilig mag-travel? Or gustong mag-travel? Or somebody na mahilig ng magbakasyon? O gusto magbakasyon? Or simply meron ka lang gustong dalawin, kamag-anak, sa Manila, sa Cebu, sa Palawan, Mindoro, pero hindi mo magawa. Gustong gusto mo. Bakit? Karamihan ng mga tao na hindi makatravel, hindi makapagbakasyon, ang isa sa common dahilan ay dahil wala tayong budget. Alright, so now, if I can show you a program that will help you na magkaroon ka ng budget for your travel and vacation, kasama mo ang pamilya mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay, and you can get it almost for free. Yeah. Ha? Free? Meron ba ganon? Yes. You will get it for free by this program because of the dynamics of the community. Are you willing to check it out? All right? Please give me a few more minutes of your time. Ipapakita ko sa iyo itong brand new program. We call it the Go Travel. And welcome po sa presentation. All right, Go Travel is a membership club. Okay? Just like any other club, basketball club, glee club, songwriters club. It's a club. Architecture club. Ang ginagawa nila, nagsasama-sama sila with a common purpose and a vision at nagtutulungan. Alright, so yung po ang Go Travel, it gives us an opportunity to give the club members the access to travel their desired destination, both local and international trips. And Go Travel has partnered with a travel team that will help us na makarating doon sa mga gusto nating puntahan with their professional expertise. Mga experts po sa travel, ang ating mga kapartners for Go Travel. Alright, and they have built a dedicated team that specializes in all sorts of travels, including honeymoons. Alright? And it's just a tip of the iceberg po. So papakita ko sa inyo the business philosophy of Go Travel Membership Club. This is all about journey. Ang buhay po natin ay tungkol sa journey. Naniniwala po ako doon. Life is a journey. So, through Go Travel, matutulungan tayong ma-explore, okay? We can be our best self. And we are pioneers of this vision na matulungan yung mga tao na makapag-travel, makapag-relax, bakasyon, without really hurting their pockets. So, this membership club or travel is timeless, no? Hanggang kailan ba tayo hihinto mag-travel? All right, me myself personally, every year we have to go to Manila at least twice a year. All right, kung pwede pa sana, if budget allows, hindi lang twice. Gusto ko sana every month, every week, no? Because I have so much friends, and of course, my family is there, my parents. Okay, so it's timeless. Hanggang kailan yon? Habang buhay ako, gusto kong magpunta doon. All right? And the possibilities are endless in Go Travel. All right, so just some reasons just to remind us, no? Mabilis lang to. Bakit ba dating kailangan mag-travel? First, travel is easier than you think. All right? With the latest technology right now, napakadali naman travel with the travel professionals na tutulong sa atin. It opens our eyes and helps us learn who we are. Okay? Traveling, it helps us understand a lot of things. It creates meaningful relationships, develops some skills that you do not know that you have, okay, because of different situations. It helps us learn new languages and traditions. It helps us experience adventure and gives us a different perspective. Okay? So pag nakarating ka sa ibang bansa, ibang kultura, makikita mo, wow, may ganito pala. Alright? It's actually an education. Traveling is education. And it helps us to move forward. Okay, it shakes things up. No? Pag medyo na-stress na, medyo napagod na, nakapoy na in Bisaya, traveling or going to different places can really help us. It shakes things up. It also proves that dreams do come true. Okay, because I know marami sa atin nangangarap mag-travel. And when we do travel, wow, ma-realize mo, pwede pala. And of course, we have cool stories and a lot of food for thought, and of course, a lot of food. And most importantly, what I love, traveling can also give us a sense of accomplishment and deepens our relationship with God. Mas na-understand po natin yung kapangyarihan ng Diyos in different places, in different locations, in different cultures. The diversity of His character, parang wow, ganito pala talaga si God. Alright, so those are just some of the many reasons why we need to travel. So what is your dream vacation? You want to go to Boracay, Disneyland, South Korea, Europe, Holy Land, Israel, Switzerland, Japan? Or just gusto mo lang pumunta somewhere else because you want to visit friends, family? Pwede po mangyari yan. Now, to be a travel club member, you just need to shell out, all right, the membership fee of $28 or 1,500 pesos. That's one time, all right? Wow, 1,500 and you'll be part of this. So ano naman meron? Maglabas ako ng 1,500. First, you'll have your travel dashboard. So everything now is online. You can monitor everything you want to do with this travel club. All right? And you earn 40% commission for your direct referrals. No? Anybody na mahikayat natin, okay? Again, a membership club, we as members, we invite more members, but you get compensated. You get 40%. That's 600 pesos. And you will receive a travel fund every time you graduate. All right. So there's a specific, or there's a system. Now, once you accomplish the requirement of the system, you get a travel fund. So that goes to your travel wallet, and you can use that for your dream travel. And there'll be trainings on online marketing and trainings on a lot of things, no? So kasama po yan sa membership natin. Definitely education is very important. Nandyan po yan, team travel, fund support. Okay, so we will be supported as well with our travel funds nga. All right, so the monthly subscription for this is 500 pesos per month. Oh, so magbayad ako ng one time, meron pang 500 a month. Yes, because again, this is a membership club, so we're accumulating funds for us to continue to do what we have to do. Like any other membership clubs naman, they have their monthly dues, di ba? Ganon din po yun. But now, let's see what we have. No, ito kasi importante. So anong makukuha ko dyan? First, of course, you'll have your travel funds. That's number one. But you also earn income if you bring more members in. Okay. So the first is you earn 40% commission from every travel club member you introduce to the club. Okay? So that's 600 pesos. Ba? Isipin mo, if you have 10 friends na pwede mo mapasok this week, that's 6,000 pesos earning from you. For you. Okay? So parang wow. Iba pa yung travel fund. Itabi natin yan. Hindi kasama yan. This is an incentive for building up the community. Then, opportunity number 2. So everybody sustains the club by paying their monthly dues. Okay, so we have access to all the benefits of the travel club. That's 500 pesos per month. Sabi mo, nako, may monthly pala to. But wait, there's more. That 500 pesos a month doesn't have to come from your wallet. It comes from the benefits of being a part of the membership club. Why? Because if you bring in as much people as you can, and every time they subscribe until they finish the requirements para makuha yung travel fund, you continuously earn. Ito po yun. Level 1, yung lahat ng tao na mapasok mo, that we call them the direct referrals, you still earn 30% from their monthly fees, monthly contribution. And sila din naman, ginaya kanila, okay, this is a duplication program. Lahat naman ang na-introduce nila rito, they also earn from them. Pero ikaw, you still earn 20% from that. And ito pa, yung nandun pa sa ikatlo, actually hanggang 10th level yan, you continuously earn something, a bonus from their monthly subscription. Alright, parang wow. So, and if we're talking of amount, we can have another talk with that, but it's not a very small amount. Parang really? Yeah, so your bonuses here could be something like kaya na ipambuhay ng pamilya. All right, and just everybody enjoying the program, wanting to travel, okay, and you're earning, so why not? Plus, may tinatawag na matrix, okay? So yung matrix natin is force matrix, meaning hindi, paano yan kung wala akong ma-invite? It doesn't matter because this force matrix, yung mga nauna sa yung members na masipag, they will continuously put in new members under you. Alright, hanggang mapuno natin itong 100 slots actually. Yeah, 125 slots. Once mapuno mo yung 125 slots, merong 125 members na nakapasok under you. Then you will receive your travel fund reward. That's 30,000 pesos. Pero teka, Kiko, hindi ako marunong yan, yung mga invite. Tulad ng sabi ko, all you have to do is get in. And because masisipag yung mga nasa taas mo, because again, travel is like a huge industry. At hindi lang po ito Pilipinas ha. Okay, we will just start here in the Philippines, but we will bring this program in different parts of the world. Isipin mo, ilang tao yung sa halagang 1.5 nila, they will get 30,000 pesos as their travel fund. Okay, this travel fund, okay, hindi mo yan pwedeng i-withdraw. Okay, but yan yung ginagamit mong budget in coordination with our travel agencies, yung airfare mo, board and lodging, and lahat ng kaya nilang i-book, dyan yung kukuhain. Paano? Teka, Kiko, ayoko nang mag-travel, nagsawa na ako. Okay, the good thing, this is transferable, this is assignable, and you can book it at your own desired date. No? Next year, let's say nakakuha na ako nito, sige, book ko na by March. Gusto kong gamitin yan. Okay, so, wow, so that's really, really very exciting, and I'd like to thank you all. Again, this is just parang a breeze through the program. We can go into details more and more with our live. Pero this is recorded para at least malaman mo lang, wow, pwede pala yun. But again, this is a very, very important video na gusto namin gawin kasi isa ka sa magiging pioneer members, meaning ikaw ang una mag-share nito sa mga kaibigan mo. Alright? And their friends to their friends. And just imagine we have a million members. All right, all paying their memberships due and all receiving their travel fund and all earning from the bonuses of bringing in members. All right, and may mga kasunod pa yun, by the way. So, di ba, para what happens if I already graduate, I receive this. All right, meron pang part 2, may part 3, may part 4. All right, which is pag-usapan na lang natin sa susunod na mga videos. Pero for now, itong gagawin mo. You go back to the person who shared you this video and ask him, how do I join? How do I become part of the pioneering members of the group? Okay, so dalawang pwede mangyari. Sige na lang, next time lang ako, okay? And others go ahead of you. Then one day, the people you know who loves to travel and wants to have a vacation, sila na nag-invite sa'yo. Sabi mo, so 2 months ago, napanood ko yung video na yan. Member ka na? Yes. And lahat ng mga barkada natin. So, huli na ako. All right. Again, please take hold of this opportunity. Go back to the person who shared you this video. Sabihin mo, I want to join. How do I do that? All right. Again, ako po si Coach Kiko, your online marketing coach for this program. God bless you.